How to give what women actually want. It's not always what you think. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that has puzzled philosophers, poets, and pretty much every person who's ever tried to understand the opposite sex. What do women actually want? Now, before you groan and reach for your remote, thinking this is another "buy her flowers" lecture, stick with me. We're going to break this down with a mix of genuine insight, a dash of humor, and maybe even a few aha moments. What's the big secret? For centuries, people have been trying to crack this code. Is it money? Is it good looks? A six-pack and a private jet? While those things might grab some initial attention, they're usually not what keeps a woman around, or truly happy, in the long run. The truth is, it's often far simpler, and yet, sometimes surprisingly complex. Let's be real, if you ask most women what they want, you might get answers like, a good listener, someone who makes me laugh, or a partner in crime. And while those are absolutely true, sometimes it's the unspoken things, the actions rather than just the words, that make all the difference. The power of the little things. We've all seen the romantic comedies where the hero makes a grand, public declaration of love, and everyone swoons. And sure, those moments are great. But real life? It's built on the everyday. Imagine this: you've had a ridiculously stressful day. You walk in the door, exhausted, and before you even say anything, your partner hands you your favorite drink, tells you to relax, and has already started dinner. Or maybe they noticed you've been working late and quietly tidied up the house without being asked. See where I'm going with this? Women often deeply appreciate thoughtfulness and consideration. It's the small acts that show you're paying attention, that you care about their well-being, and that you're willing to put in effort without needing a parade. It's not about spending a fortune, it's about spending a few moments thinking. The art of listening. This one comes up so often, it's practically a cliché, but there's a reason for that. Active listening is a superpower. When a woman is talking about her day, her feelings, or even just her favorite TV show, she usually wants to feel heard and understood. This isn't about solving her problems, unless she specifically asks you to. It's about being present. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and nod. Ask follow-up questions. Validate her feelings. Sometimes, all she needs is for you to be a sounding board. And believe me, just being there, truly listening without interrupting or formulating your own rebuttal, can be more valuable than any expensive gift. It shows respect for her thoughts and emotions. Emotional intelligence and communication. Let's face it, we're not all born with a PhD in emotional intelligence. But learning to understand and express emotions, both yours and hers, is a game changer. This means being able to communicate openly and honestly. If something is bothering you, say it. If you appreciate something, express it. Don't make her guess. Understanding nonverbal cues, sometimes a sigh, a specific look, or a change in posture can tell you more than words. Empathy, trying to put yourself in her shoes and understand her perspective, even if you don't fully agree. When you can navigate emotions and communicate effectively, you build a foundation of trust and understanding, which is honestly what most healthy relationships thrive on. It also means you're less likely to end up in a heated argument over who left the milk out. Not that I'm speaking from experience, much. Security, support, and laughter. While the little things are crucial, there are also bigger, foundational elements that women often seek. Security, not just financial, this means emotional security, knowing you're reliable, dependable, and that she can count on you. It's about feeling safe to be herself, flaws and all. Support, being her cheerleader. Celebrating her successes, comforting her during failures, and encouraging her dreams. Knowing you've got her back, no matter what. Laughter, life is tough. Being with someone who can make you laugh, who doesn't take everything too seriously, and who genuinely enjoys your company, is incredibly attractive. Humor is a powerful bond. These elements build a relationship where she feels valued, respected, and genuinely happy. And isn't that what we all want for the people we care about? It's about connection. So, what do women actually want? It boils down to genuine connection, respect, and feeling truly seen and valued. It's not about grand gestures every day, but about consistent, thoughtful actions that show you care. It's about being a partner, a listener, a supporter, and someone who makes her feel good about herself. What are your thoughts on this? What do you think women truly want in a relationship? Or, if you're a woman watching, what's one thing you wish your partner, or future partner, understood? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and your insights help build this amazing community. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on relationships, dating, and living your best life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.